It's been a while since my last upload, and I'm back with another series, and these are going to be the IK series for hands and feet. So basically our character can step on the steps, align his feet automatically based on the height of these steps, and also, well, when we are on some kind of slopes, he will bend his ankles to match the surfaces as well. And another thing is, well, the character is going to put his hands out in front of him whenever he runs into the wall or runs slightly towards the wall. It's gonna look something like this. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing throughout this series. And real quickly, so in the first episode, we're going to set up just a basic control rig, set up some basic controls just to show you what's actually going to happen, how it's going to work. In the next episode, we're going to set up so that the spine and the pelvis of our body would lean downwards, so that then in the next episode, we can align one of the feet to go higher above the ground, because our capsule is on the highest step, but we're gonna bend our character's animation and the skeleton a little bit downwards so that he can match up with the stairs. Then in the next episode, we're gonna set up so that the feet would align with the ground, and then we're gonna use basically exactly the same logic as we did throughout all of these videos in a single video. We're gonna set up the hands to do something like this. Now real quick, let's just have a look what actually goes into this. So all we have is just one blueprint, which is a control rig blueprint. We're going to need to enable two plugins inside of our plugins. It's the control rig plugin and the full body IK plugin. And one thing outside of the rig is going to be inside of our animation blueprint. We're going to initiate our control rig through this singular node that comes from the state machine, goes into the control rig, and then outputs the animation. Now we're still using the default animations, we're just simply slightly adjusting them based on the situations, based on the slopes and all of that stuff. Now inside of the control rig itself, so this is what we are going to have inside of the control rig. Looks quite a lot, but actually there's not that much things going on. So first we're going to set up some controls and align them with the existing bones. Then we're going to do some traces to detect the height from the ground to the feet, also the distance between our character and the wall to basically calculate the math for placing the hands in front of us. Then we're going to adjust the pelvis based on the lowest foot. And then we're going to go ahead and apply those values to the controls. Then we're going to go ahead and slowly adjust the feet so that they would adjust themselves over a period of time rather than snapping instantly. We're going to do exactly the same thing with the hands as well. Also apply the values throughout a bit of a time. And then we're going to use a math to calculate the angles of the feet in which they should be rotated, and the same thing will happen for our hands as well. And then at the end, we're going to use full body IK node to apply all of these controls, so basically our feet and the hands, so that, well, our character would move nicely with these all animations. And that's gonna be it. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section down below, and I will see you tomorrow with the first episode.